So sometimes I think about our colonizers as the victim because they have lost more of their ancient culture than we have. I actually don't believe that the Samic way of life is going to survive unless our colonizers also try to preserve and take care of their own ancient culture. Because the Sami people were not the only people who suffered under the powers that took over when Christianity entered. Our colonizers have their own ancient culture that they're not actually taking care of. There are people in Norway who are still preserving this culture, but they are looked upon as, strange, and people are not taking them seriously. So all the values, traditions, and everything that come along with that, the Old Norse worldview and way of thinking, I don't see much of that in Norwegian society. For me as a Sami woman, it's very hard to trust the Norwegian government to know how to make the laws and rules so that our culture can survive, because look what they did to their own. I mean, they had a chance for like hundreds of years to actually bring to life their old traditions, and they have chosen not to, even if they have the means to do that. They control the laws. They are the ones who are in power. In this country, if they don't even respect their own ancient culture, like how are they going to respect ours? So I personally think that what has to happen for the Sami people to understand each other, they have to start with understanding their own culture, recognizing their own ancient culture, and to bring that into the modern society. The Norse and the Sami culture are very alike. If the Norwegians were still Norse, then we wouldn't have all this trouble that we have now, because we would understand each other more. We would have so much more in common than we have now. Then reconciliation would be much easier, I would think. That's what I believe anyway. Sometimes I even think that maybe our role now in this time in history is to actually spark that, remind them, you have your own ancient culture, please remember it. This is so important for the world, for all peoples of the world to remember who they are. There's so many changes in the world. I feel like this is the good time in history to actually do this. But that is up to the Norse population, for the Norwegians to actually want to do that. And I would absolutely do everything I can. I would join them. I would support them in any way. I'm a Sami, so I can only talk for the Sami people. I cannot talk for the Norse. So sometimes I think about our colonizers as the victim, because at this time in history, they have lost more of their ancient culture than we have. This is my hope, that the Norwegians also actually want to take back their ancient culture.